Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and I'll show you how to switch off the device. In order to turn off the tablet, you should to press the power key button for a few seconds. And if you get the same situation like in my case, and you just can enable the USB by press your power key, you should go into the settings and then just scroll here to the advanced features and tap here to side key. And here switch the wake USB to power off menu when we press and hold our slide key. And now, as can you see, we just by press our power key, we can enable the power off menu. Just click here once on the power off, and once again click to the power off icon, and you will turn off your device by this way. Also, we got the second way. You just should open the notification panel, and here you will see the power off icon. Just tap there, and by the same way click twice to power off icon, wait a second, and as can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.